Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, as you know that we are revising the syllabus according to your revision test. We have started the revision of test 3.4. So let us continue. In my last video, I discussed question answers from the chapters which are coming. In this video, we are going to discuss the writing part, that is job letter. Okay, so job letter, we are going to discuss job application. Okay, job application we are going to discuss. So let me write down the question on the board first. Your Ami Ajay Sarkar. Let me write the question. You are Ami Ajay Sarkar. You are Ami Ajay Sarkar of 83 Model Town, Guwahati. Of 83 Model Town, Guwahati. Assam. Guwahati, Assam. You are a sports enthusiast. You are a sports. You are a sports enthusiast. Rangshala School, Guwahati. Rangshala School, Guwahati has advertised the requirement of a sports teacher. Has advertised the requirements of a sports teacher. The requirement of a sports teacher in the local newspaper. In the local newspaper. You are excited and decide to apply for the post. You are excited and decide to apply and decide to apply for the post. Apply for the post. Okay. So for the same, you have to write a letter in 100 to 120 words regarding the given advertisement, submitting your candidature with detailed bio data. Okay. So this question has been taken from CBSE sample paper 2021. Okay. CBSE sample paper 2021. Okay. So you are Amy Ajoy Sarkar of 83 Model Town, Guwahati, Assam. You are a sports enthusiastic. Rangshala School, Guwahati has advertised the requirement of a sports teacher in the local newspaper. You are excited and decide to apply for the post. Write an application for the job regarding the same. Okay, dear students. So I hope you have taken the screenshot. Now I am going to rub it and let us discuss the answer. So you are writing this to the principal, Rangshala School. Okay. The principal, Rangshala School. The principal, Rangshala School, 108 Model Town, Guwahati. 108 Model Town, Guwahati. Okay. After that, you should leave a blank line and date. It is 20 January today, so you should write, after leaving a blank line, you should write 20 January 2021. Okay. Then before this, dear students, you should write your own address, which we haven't mentioned. So please let me rub it and rewrite again. By mistake, I did not mention here. It must be mentioned. First of all, you should write your own address. As this letter also will be written in the format of formal letter. So in formal letter, first we write our own address. Okay, as given in the lesson. Sorry, not lesson. As given in the question. So what address given here? So simply write 108. Write your address 108 as it is not given here. So assume your address. Model Town, Guwahati, Assam. Okay. Then date 20 January in this format only. I would like to recommend you. 20 January 2021. Okay. Then the principal, after leaving a blank line, the principal Rangshala School, Guwahati, Assam. Okay, dear students. So first of all, you will be writing your own address, then leave a blank line, then date, then again leave a blank line, then the address of the school. Okay. So now I am going to rub it and write down the remaining part of the letter. After this, you should write the post for which you are applying. Okay. So it is application for the post of sports teacher. You are applying for sports teacher. Then subject. After that, you should write subject, the complete spelling of subject. Application for the post of, application for the post of, you can capitalize the P. Okay, it would be better if you capitalize P, post of, then sports, S capital, teacher, T capital. Okay, application for the post of sports teacher. Okay, dear students. Then, sir, this is with reference to your advertisement. First of all, you should tell from where you got to know about this vacancy. Okay, so that is why we are going to write. This is with reference to your advertisement. This is with reference. This is with reference, not tabular, sorry, spelling mistake. This is with reference to your, this is with reference to your advertisement. With reference to your advertisement in the Hindustan Times. In the Hindustan Times, or you can also write Assam Times. If it's a local newspaper, then you can also use the name of any local newspaper. Okay, in the Assam Times. Dated, must mention the date on which you have seen the advertisement. Dated 15th January 2021. Okay, 15th January 2021 for the post of sports teacher. Which post? For the post of sports teacher. for the post of sports teacher. I'm a sports enthusiastic. Now you can mention about yourself. I'm a sports enthusiastic and a sports enthusiast. Sorry, it is given in the question. Enthusiast with a BPA degree, with, as it requires. Oh, sorry. Let me show you. Yes. Now I hope you can see it. Okay. So this is with reference to your advertisement in the Assam Times dated 15th January 2021 for the post of sports teacher. I'm a sports enthusiast with BPA degree. Let me rub it and write down the remaining part of this letter. You may pause the video and write down. With a BPA degree, with a BPA degree, okay, with a BPA degree. I have also played hockey and volleyball. You can also write your other achievements. I have also played hockey and volleyball. Hockey and volleyball at the state level in my school. At the state level in my school. At the state level in my school and college days. School and college days. Sorry. School and college days. I sincerely hope that I would do justice. I sincerely, next paragraph, I sincerely hope that I would do justice. I sincerely hope that I would do justice to the post of PTI in your school. To the post of PTI in your school. To the post of PTI in your school. I am enclosing my biodata along with my biodata along with I'm enclosing my biodata along with the application for your kind reference. With the application or with this application, with the sorry, with the application for with the application for your kind reference, for your kind reference, for your kind reference. Okay, then thanking you, yours sincerely. You can also write yours faithfully here. Thanking you after leaving a line, blank line. After leaving a blank line, thanking you yours sincerely, also correct, or you can also write faithfully. I recommend you to write faithfully. Yours faithfully. Okay, whatever the name given in the question, so what name given? Ajay Sarkar. Okay, Ajay Sarkar. Rest you can write. Then you must write enclosure. Okay, you must write heading enclosure biodata. Okay, after finishing it, with VPA degree, I have also played hockey and volleyball at the state level in my school and college days. I sincerely hope I sincerely hope that I would do justice to the post of PTI in your school. I am enclosing my biodata along with the application for your kind reference. Thanking you, yours faithfully. The name here, let me show you. Here at the bottom, yours faithfully, the name as given in the question. Okay, let me rub it. Then you should write enclosure biodata. Enclosure biodata. Okay, you must write. If you are enclosing your photocopies of your document, then you must mention. Okay, then this is the enclosure. Now write your biodata. After that, in the middle of the page, you should write this heading biodata. Okay, the name, father's name. I am not writing the word biodata. So simply according to the question, name should be there this way. Then father's name, it should be in proper order. Father's name should be presented properly. Okay, dear students, it should be presented properly. Okay, then date of birth, after date of birth, your address, okay, after address, your educational qualifications, educational qualifications. Your educational qualifications should be in table. Okay, they must be written in table. Name, father's name, date of birth, education qualification should be in table. Make a proper table. Let me show you an example. You should make a proper table. Then this way you should write serial number first. Okay, serial number 1. So which examination you are writing about? Let me show you a little bit what. Yes. Okay. So first, suppose you are writing for your class 10th. You should write here this way. You should make columns for it, and in these columns you should write examination here in heading. Let me write it properly, beta, so that you can understand it better. Educational qualifications. Okay, then you should make a proper table for the same. It must be represented in a proper table. Okay, first you should write the name of examination here. Examination. Okay, then board university. Here you should write board university. Okay, board university. Then your course, stream course, whatever you want to write, stream course. Okay, then year should be there, and then percentage, and then you should write percentage. Okay, this way. Okay, so suppose the name of examination is you can write 10th, from where CBSE. Okay, stream तो यहाँ कुछ होगा नहीं, then leave it. Year 2015, whatever it is, percentage 60%. Okay, then 12th. Okay, CBSE, stream science. Okay, 2017, percentage 82%. Okay, dear students. Then here BSc, whatever it is for BPed, na? So you should write graduation in BA physical, na? BPed. BPed from here, Delhi University. You can also write in short DU, Delhi University. Okay, so already you have written, so you need not write here. When 2020. Okay, so this way, dear students, with the 92%. Okay, so this way you can give your educational qualification, okay, which you have mentioned in the biodata. It should be according to the job. Okay, your educational qualifications should be according to the job. You can give the details. After that, you will be mentioning your experience After experience, your other skills, then language is known. Language is known. Okay. And hobbies, references. Hobbies, then references. Okay. Then at the end you should declare that the information which you have given, they are true of your best. Simple. Okay. This way you are supposed to write your biodata and declaration. This way, dear students, you will be finishing your job letter. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. I hope now you won't make any mistake regarding job letter. Now the rest things we will keep discussing in the coming videos. See you tomorrow.